this one. Yeah. Electromagnetic induction is nothing but the branch of the physics in which we deal about your producing of an electric current by changing the magnetic flux. By changing the magnetic flux part of relation, isn't it? Like say in current electricity and electrostatics, you have already studied that whenever there is a change, or say for example, there is a flow of the charges from one point to another point, a current is been flowing in a circuit.
Yes, sir.
How the current is flowing in a circuit because of the motion of the electrons?
Well, yes, sir.
Electronic current is in opposite direction and the conventional flow of the current is in the opposite direction right now, isn't it? So because of the motion of the charges, we got the electric current. Now the question was been arising in the scientist's mind that will a moving magnet, even the magnetic effects of a current, you have been studied that moving charges and moving current will produce the magnetic field around it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, application you have been studied that one. So moving charge, moving current will produce the magnetic field around it. What the question has been around in the mind of the scientists is that they started thinking that will a moving magnetic field or a changing magnetic field can produce the current or not? That was a big question for that one. So they have done a lot of research, and after a lot amount of your research and the studies on that one, they could able to give you statements that, like Faraday, when I was doing an experiment part, he told that changing magnetic field or changing the magnetic lines of the forces by increasing or decreasing have a capacity to produce the induced current part of it. Is it clear? So now in this chapter, we are talking about right now for me what? A moving magnetic field or change in magnetic field will be responsible for producing a current, and that current is called as a what? Induced current part of relation. I hope you are clear with this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this chapter, what we are going to study? We are going to study about right now. I'll write it right now. I need to. Chalo. Yeah. So in the electromagnetic induction, we'll be talking about right now what better? We will be talking about your change in magnetic field part of relation. Change in the magnetic field. So the Faraday's first law, Japando, sorry. So what is the Faraday's first law? I'm directly going for the application of this.
Coil magnet.
There will be an induced EMF till there is a change in the magnetic flux. So first formula which you should remember in this one is magnetic flux is equals to your B bar dot your A bar.
Yes.
That is nothing but your BA into your cos theta. Isn't it? Here theta will be equal to what? As it is moving, I can write in terms of your omega into your T.
Yes, sir.
You know? So this is your magnetic flux. This is your magnetic
flux.
Induced EMF. Induced EMF is nothing but rate of change of your magnetic flux. That is d phi by your dt. d phi by your dt is called as of your induced one, and minus sign is being given by a scientist called as of your Lenz law. Okay, magnetic field E is equals to minus of d phi by your dt.
dt.
E is equals to minus flux will be equal to how much for me? B into your A divided by d into your T. Can I write like this? In this one, if the magnetic field is constant, I can write B into your dA by dt. Changing the area with respect to change, I can produce an induced EMF in the given condition. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Minus sign is given by what law, beta? This is given by your Lenz law. This is given by your Lenz law. So what is the Lenz law says right now? You see, beta. So magnetic flux, whatever is being produced, that is inducing an EMF in which direction, beta? Opposite direction. Opposite direction. Like say, for example, I'll explain you this one. Sign convention of this one. Application of your Lenz law. Application of your Lenz law. Now, what is in Lenz law application, beta? That is your direction of your induced EMF. Direction of your induced EMF, isn't it? So change in magnetic flux will be producing an induced EMF, and that induced EMF will be producing what, beta? Can I say current?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Can I say that is will be current right now? Isn't it? Like say for example, if I'm taking you of a coil like this, okay, and in this one there is a flow of a current right now like this. And this current is been moving. So when this current is been moving, now tell me what is the direction of the magnetic field in this one, beta?
Magnetic field inside.
Magnetic field inside or outside?
Inside, sir.
Inside. Okay. Now see here, if I'm using a word, if current is increasing, in which direction? Current is increasing in the clockwise direction. So can I say that magnetic field is increasing inside? Is that relation?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So that means as the current is been increasing, in this one right now. So I can say that right now, because of the increase of your current, a magnetic field is also been increasing. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means as per the Faraday's law, the induced EMF in this coil will be in which direction? Opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Yes,
sir.
Magnetic field is
Anti-clockwise.
inside. Magnetic field is been producing inside. So I can write now inside magnetic field is right now what beta? Can I represent it by dot line? So this is your magnetic field which is been inside. And inside it is increasing.
Increase.
Now as per the what do you call that one? Lenz law. What is the role of the induced EMF beta? The change in magnetic flux will be opposing the what? Increase or decrease? Isn't it? E is
Increase.
equal to minus of d phi by dt kada. So
Sir.
if the magnetic field is increasing inside, it will not allow it to increase inside. It will not allow to increase in its side. So what will be the direction of the current for this in the coil?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise direction.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? If the magnetic field is increasing inside, it should not allow that magnetic field inside it to increase. That means the flow of a current in this one will be in this direction beta.
Anti-clockwise.
So current should be in the anti-clockwise direction. So I can say here current is in your anti-clockwise direction. That means it should be the current in this one, but not in the clockwise. Provided.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you one more application. You see right now. Listen it and try to give me the answer right now for me. Listen it very carefully and give. Like say for example, this is some region beta, and there is a magnetic field inside. Like see this one. Isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Isn't it? So right now, this is a magnetic field inside. I am representing it by cross. Dot will be representing by the
outside.
If outside it is increasing, inside it will be your decreasing. Is that clear? Now, chalo.
Yes, sir.
Here right now, I am taking one condition. You see, there is a coil like this in this shape. This coil is moving with a certain constant velocity, say for example, v. The moment it enters into this region right now here, okay, now what is happening to the magnetic field inside this one beta? Area is increasing, kada?
Sir.
Equals to B into your A. As it is entering slowly, area of cross section is what is increasing. So flux is also increasing. Flux is increasing, means magnetic field is also increasing.
Induces.
Isn't it? So if the magnetic field is increasing inside, what will be the direction of the current in this one?
Anti-clockwise direction.
Anti-clockwise direction. So current in this one should be in the
anti-clockwise direction.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If the coil is completely inside this one right now here, tell me. If it
clockwise
is
direction.
Inside, number of lines of force which is passing through this area is always constant, kada?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is no change in the magnetic flux. So when there is no change in the magnetic flux, induced current will be equal to how much? Zero.
Zero, sir. Zero.
Now when it is coming out right now like this with a constant velocity. So when it is
Clockwise.
coming out, what is happening to the area? Area
Induced
is
will be decreasing. Magnetic field is decreasing.
Area is decreasing, so flux is decreasing. If flux is decreasing, means magnetic field is also decreasing. Now, as per the Lenz law, it should oppose the decrease of the current in inward direction. So that is the reason it will make the current to move in the clockwise. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If it is in the clockwise direction, what is the direction of magnetic field in that one? Beta current will be induced in which direction? Inside, kada?
Yes, sir.
Current మనకు clockwise direction లో మూవ్ అయింది అనుకో దాని వల్ల ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయ్యే magnetic field ఎక్కడ పోతుంది లోపలే పోతుంది కదా
లోపలి
Yes, sir.
that means it is not allowing it to decrease అంటే if it is increasing it is not allowing it to increase if it is decreasing it is not even allowing it to decrease. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope you got the direction. So
Yes,
as per the Lenz law's condition, if the magnetic field is increasing, it will not allow it to increase. If it is decreasing, it will not allow it to decrease. Is
Decrease.
that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Sign convention is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So let us try to go for an application of this one. Say for example, if I am giving you some condition, say for example, say this is small question I'm giving you roughly. Like say for example, I have given you some magnetic field on B is equals to B naught into T square plus of your 2T, some magnetic flux. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
magnetic field
Yes,
is
sir.
inside the paper like this. Think and tell me the answer. This is the magnetic field which is into the paper. This is the magnetic field which is into the paper. And there is a coil in this one right now like this. There is a coil in this one like that. A ring. Okay, of radius,
Yes,
say,
sir.
for example, of your R. Okay, so
Yes,
B is equals to given for me what? B is equals to your B naught into T square plus of your 2T. If I am saying you that find current
It-
I at T is equals to, say, for example, some 3 seconds. Got it?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
is the magnetic field increasing or decreasing?
Magnetic field is constant.
0.
Resistance of this wire, this is a wire beta. ఈ వైర్ కి
Yes, sir.
రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దట్ ఈస్ ఆర్ ఓమ్స్ అనుకుందాం, స్మాల్ ఆర్ ఓమ్స్.
Okay, sir.
Okay, or capital R ohms, or this will take radius, anything depending upon our understanding, that's not a problem. Is that clear?
Oh,
Yes,
yes, sir.
Is the magnetic field constant or increasing or decreasing?
Constant.
Arey bhai, it is a time function gada. Magnetic field is a function of time gada.
On,
Magnetic
Yes, sir.
field is the function of your time gada. If the time
Yes,
is
sir.
0, then B is equals to how much for me? 0. If T is equals to
0.
1, then this will be equal to how much for me? 3 times of B naught.
Yes,
Avuna
sir.
kada? So
Yes,
that means
sir.
Yes,
as the
sir.
time is changing, is the magnetic field changing or not?
Changing, sir.
That means magnetic
sir.
field is increasing with respect to time.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Isn't it? Now tell me what will be the flux right now for this one. So flux will be equal to how much for me? Flux is equals to B into your A.
8B naught.
Equal to how much for me? Or B into your A part.
B into A.
So area of this coil will be equal to how much? This is your B. Flux will be, B will be equal to how much for me? B naught
B
into
naught
is your
T
T
square
square
plus
plus of your 2T into area
Into
will
area.
be equal to
Pi
how
R
much?
square.
Pi into
Pi
your
R
R square. That
Yes,
means
sir.
I can write this one as of your B naught into pi into your R square into this one is your T square plus of your 2T. This is your flux.
Yes, sir.
So this is your flux. Once I know the flux, can I calculate the induced EMF better? So what is
Yes,
induced EMF? E is equals to minus of your d phi by your dt. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
I hope you can do this differentiation directly. Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
This is
2D
minus
plus C.
pi will be equal to B naught into pi into R square.
Pi
In
R.
one is T square plus 2 into T divided by your dt. What is
DT.
constant in this
Yes,
one
sir.
beta? B naught
B
is
naught
Not
pi
pi
R
R square.
Pi R
R
square.
square is a constant. Differentiation of T square is how much for me? 2T
2D plus 2.
equal to 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
With minus sign. This is your induced EMF. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
once I know this induced EMF, then I can calculate the current beta. What is the current
Yes,
formula? I is equal
Induced EMF by T.
equals to I into R. Here R is given as resistance small r. So I
Yes,
will
sir.
be equal to how much beta? E by your
A
R.
by R. Yes, sir.
Yes,
will
sir.
be equal to how much for me? B naught into pi into
Pi
your
R
R square into
plus
your
8.
2
Into
into
eight.
T plus of your 2 divided by R. At
Yes,
what
sir.
time is asking the current?
3
T is
3
equals
seconds.
to 3 seconds. At T is equals to 3 seconds if I am taking. I will be
B naught.
equal to your B naught into pi
Pi.
into your R square. 2 into 3
Plus
that will be 6. 6 plus 2.
8.
8.
It is 8 B naught divided by R. This will be the current. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Pata?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Even if he's asking force, I can calculate force acting on a conductor is given by the formula. F is equals to BIL. గుర్తుందా
Yes,
ఇది?
sir. Sir,
Yes,
ఇది
sir.
ఒకసారి డెరివేషన్ చెప్తారా సార్?
ఇది నాన్న బిఐఎల్ దా డెరివేషన్
అవును
పెద్ద టైం పడుతుంది రా మనకి లెక్చర్ మొత్తం దాంట్లోనే అయిపోతుంది.
ఓకే సార్, అయితే నేను చూసుకుంటాను. ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పండి.
ఫోర్స్ ఎఫ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు డెరివేషన్ కాలేదా?
అయింది సార్, కాస్త అది ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్
ఓకే
అర్థం కాదు.
అని నేను రఫ్ గా చెప్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ. ఒకవేళ
Okay,
ఫోర్స్ నాకు అడిగాడు అనుకోండి, ఐ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దట్ వాల్యూ హియర్ బేటా.
అవును సార్.
Yes, sir.
And if he's asking the power is equals to your F into V also I can calculate. How do you calculate the velocity? F is equals to your M into your E I can take. This one is BI into your L. So I can get acceleration from that one, BIL divided by your M. I can even get the velocity V is equals to U plus of your 80. Initial velocity will be 0. So V is equals to your BIL
BIL
divided by your M into T. Blah, 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 blah conditions like that.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Is that any clear, any doubt in this one?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Let us try to go for the motional EMF related to this one. I hope sign convention is clear for this one, beta. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Sign convention, what is the basic rule on this one is, see, beta? If
Magnet-
the magnetic field is increasing, the induced current in that one will not allow it to increase.
Yes, sir.
Adhamayinda? If it is decreasing,
sir.
it will not allow it to
It
decrease.
will not decrease.
Avuna kada?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Let us try to go for the motional EMF particulation. Okay. Derivation చెప్పాలా మోషనల్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ ది
వద్దు సార్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సార్ ప్రాబ్లం
చెప్పేస్తాను ఒకసారి.
ఓకే సార్
మోషనల్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ అర్థమవుతుందా చెప్తుంది నేను?
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
Here, let's say for example, let's say assume that there is a magnetic field like this, where it is magnetic field inside, cross and in the magnetic field is inside na beta.
అవును సార్.
Yes sir.
There is a rod in this one, like say for example, okay, and this rod is moving with certain velocity in this one. The moment
Yes,
this
sir.
rod starts moving in the magnetic field, so what is happening, tell me beta. Like say for example,
Force.
if I take the free body diagram for this one is your diagram right now. I'm taking the free body diagram right now for this one here. Okay, so what is happening right now
Forceful act on the
Opposite
electrons.
on that one? So because of that force right now, an opposite charge will be induced here. This will be positive and this will be your negative.
Negative. Okay sir.
That means an electron which is being present on this one, electric field will be in this one direction, but F is equals to your E into your Q. F is equals to your E into Q, and magnetic force will be in the upward direction. So F is equals to your BQ into
B
V.
into-
Because it is moving and also the charges also moving. So moving in charges will experience the magnetic field better and also the
Yes, sir.
electric field on that one, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
instantaneously for a certain for a small interval of a time, if I'm talking about right now, like say the length of this one of this conductor is say for example of your L ankunda, suppose. So what is the potential formula better from the capacitor's formula? We know the formula E is equals to your negative potential gradient. E is equals to V by L and cheppocha. Or V is
Yes,
equals
sir.
to E into your L cheppocha manam.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
The electric field is equals to potential per your unit length.
Yes sir.
Relation between electric field and electric potential. Negative potential gradient is known as E is equals to minus of dV by dx, or dr is known as of your what? Electric field. Ona?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now see, for a moment, if I'm talking about for a moment, this QE will be equal to your how much for me over BQV, isn't it? So this one will get cancelled. So electric field will be equal to how much for me over
BV.
E is nothing but what beta?
E is equals to B by L.
D by
V by
L. E is
L.
equals to how much for me over E is equals to your V by your L. So it is your V by your L is equals to your B into here. V is nothing but
BV.
what velocity hai kada? Here V is
Yes,
what
sir.
potential.
Potential difference.
So this potential is represented by E. So this will be equal to your BL into V. Simple calculation.
Okay sir. అవును.
Arthamayinda?
Understood, sir.
So for the
Arthamayinda.
rod which has been moving, the EMF is being given by the formula how much for me beta? E is equals
E is
to
equal to
BL into your
BLV.
V. Is that clear?
Yes
Clear
sir.
sir.
Isn't it? Instantaneous particulation part, isn't it? Now see, if I'm
Yes.
if I'm making it in the vector, so this is more better. You try to remember in the vector, so it is easy for doing you the numericals. Okay, now. So
Okay,
see
okay,
here
sir.
right now, see here. If I'm writing that electric field E into Q into E bar is equals to Q into, I can write this one as V bar cross B bar beta.
Yes sir.
This one will get cancelled. So electric field will be equal to how much beta? V bar
VB
cross B bar.
plus
Can I
B
write
bar.
that?
Yes sir.
So now electric field is nothing but what beta? Change in potential difference. Isn't it?
Yes,
so
sir.
we know that potential
Yes, sir.
difference is equals to what beta? E into your
E
dl,
by-
can I write? Everything
Yes,
is
sir.
a vector quantity.
Yes sir.
Isn't it? So because of electric field, electric potential is what? A scalar quantity. Dot product of the two vectors will be what? A scalar only, kada?
Yes
అవును
sir.
సార్.
So electric field ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి ఇక్కడ V bar cross of your B bar into your DL bar. So this is your motional EMF formula in vectors. అవునా కదా? Same ఏ కదా? ఇంతకు ముందు
Yes, sir.
రాసిన BLV. This is also BLV ఏ కదా?
అవును సార్.
Yes sir.
Here V is what? Velocity. B is what? Magnetic field. L is nothing but what? Length. If you are very clear with vectors, then you can do the motional EMF problems very easily.
Yes sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the motional EMF formula in vectors beta? E is equals to your V bar cross B bar, V bar cross B bar, V bar cross E bar. V bar
V అవును సార్.
అవునా కదా? So this is your V bar cross B bar. So this is a general formula which you need to remember in your vector form particulation. Is that clear?
Yes
Yes,
sir.
Now,
No sir.
can I go for the application of this one in the form of a numericals?
Yes,
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
You try to remember this one in the vector form beta. It will be easy for doing the numericals for you. Okay?
Yes sir.
Let
Yes,
me
sir.
take one small problem here. See. Say for example, I got a rod right now like this, small rod. Okay, and the magnetic field is, say for example, dot. Dot means what?
Outward.
Outward. Magnetic
Outside.
field is in the outward direction.
Outward direction.
So this is your outward direction. Okay, and this is your conductor of rod, say for example A and B, and magnetic field of this one is, say for example, B naught. Is it clear? And this is moving with certain velocity, say for example V, making an angle of your, say for example, some 37 degrees or 53 degrees, anything. Okay, and length of this conductor, I'm taking it as of your L. I'm taking the length of the conductor for this one to be equal to your L part of relation. If I'm asking you, what is the potential of your, what is VB minus VA? VB minus VA will be equal to how much? That means what? VB minus VA means B will be at higher potential and A will be at lower potential, no?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now use the
Yes,
cross
sir.
product rule.
Yes, sir.
Use the cross product rule. V bar cross B bar.
Cross B bar.
Take your right hand. Take your right hand.
Yes, sir.
Take your right hand and keep your fingers in the direction of V bar. And rotate the fingers in the outward direction.
Yes, sir. Left side will
Thumb
be
is
out.
pointing in which direction? The thumb is pointing in this direction. See it?
Yes, sir.
Will give me V bar cross B bar. Ochinda leda osa chuseskondi. Take your right hand. Everywhere, whenever you're doing the motion EMF problem, please try to use only the vectors first year la, first chapter la mere the A bar cross B bar right hand thumb rule use chesharo. You just use that rule
On,
to
sir.
follow the direction. In complete magnetic
Downward.
data, you can use this rule only. You try to write all the formulas in the cross product only. Okay, because all the formulas which you learned from the magnetic effects of current beta, all of them are in cross product only. You see, F is equals to your BLV is in a cross product only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
F is equals to BQV is also in the cross product. So every cross product direction you can give your by your right hand thumb rule.
Sir, you
now-
kept the right hand in the direction of conductor, na, sir. You will get it downwards.
Downward direction. I can't draw that downward direction on the paper, gada. So
On,
take
sir.
your right hand, beta. First take your
Yes,
right
sir.
hand and keep all the four fingers in the direction of V bar.
V bar, okay, sir.
And rotate the fingers in the upward direction. Where is the thumb pointing?
Thumb pointing downwards.
Downward direction only, gada. That is in the direction of the red line which have been drawn.
On, sir. Yes,
Avuna
sir.
kada?
Got it. On, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
ఇద్దరికి
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
అర్థం కాకపోతే చెప్పండి, ఇది అర్థం కాకపోతే చాలా కష్టం మళ్ళా మనకు.
Yes, sir. అర్థమైంది.
పక్కా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is the potential of your VB minus VA. So VB minus of your VA will be equal to how much beta? This will be equal to how much? Cross product kada. VB
हाँ,
V bar cross V bar will be equal to how much beta? V bar cross
VB
V bar will be
VB
equal to
sin-
VB into your
VB sin
sin theta. Sorry. So
sin
VB
theta.
into your sin theta.
Sin
Theta is
theta.
how much here? 37. Sin 37.
That's
3/5.
ఎంత?
3/5.
3/5. That means this will become for me BV into your 3/5. So
Yes,
what
sir.
will be the answer for me? Potential will be equal to how much for me? Or that formula only, na? Length will
Yes,
be
sir.
equal to how much for me? L. So this will be equal to your B. This will be equal to your L into V into 3/5. Can I write? So the answer is how much?
Yes, sir.
3/5.
3/5
into
BLV.
V. Your answer. Got it?
Got
Any
it.
doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Pakka?
No, sir.
Pakka, sir.
Sure. Chalo, let me try to go one more question. Ravka. So whenever you're doing, I always told you to try to use in the vector product only. That will be more easy for you to do the problems related to in the vector forms. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If rod is rotating better, then what will be the condition? If rod will be rotating, what will be the condition?
The-
Derivation for the rotation చేశారా?
చేయలేదు.
చేయలేదా?
No,
ఇంకా
sir.
అక్కడ వరకు రాలేదు సార్. మేబీ టుమారో.
Okay, fine. I hope ఇక్కడ వరకు అయితే క్లియర్ కదా?
ఇక్కడ వరకు
Yes, sir.
If I'm giving you one more question, like say this is your magnetic field. And in this one, there is a semicircular wire like this. And radius of this one is, say for example, capital R, and it is moving with a velocity of your V. Okay.
Yes,
This is your
yes.
terminal A and this one is your terminal B. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, if I am asking you what is the potential across your A and B, VA minus VB will be equal to how much?
V.
First, tell me which will be at higher potential, which will be lower potential. First, you tell me that one.
A will be at higher potential, B will be at lower potential.
See how you are finding out that one?
Sir,
We-
because A is increasing.
Now, magnetic field is inside the B bar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your right hand, keep your fingers V bar in the direction of your V, and keep
Yes, sir.
all the fingers into that one. So thumb is moving in this direction, but left,
Right,
kada,
right,
right,
right hand thumb. Okay, towards. Okay, got it, sir. Left,
Got
sir.
it, keep
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
take your right hand and keep your fingers in the direction of your velocity and curl the velocity into the paper. The thumb is
Yes, sir.
pointing in the negative x-axis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means you need to make that wire as of your one single wire like this. This is your A and this is your B.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Which is at higher potential and which will be at lower potential?
A will be at higher potential, B will be at lower potential.
And what is the length of this conductor?
L, 2R.
2R.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
We can write here VA minus of your VB will be equal to how much better? VA minus of VB will be equal to how much for me? BL into V.
Yes, sir. BL.
B
Answer.
is equals to 2R into V. So the answer is how much for me? 2B
2B RV.
into V. Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
VA minus of your VB. I hope you are getting my idea, my point with the sign
Yes, sir.
convention.
Yes, sir.
You also got an idea how to identify which end is an higher and which end is your lower end.
Got it, sir.
Clear up? You just use the dot
Got it.
product, that is. So whenever you are getting some irregular type of structures, what you do is try to just add the initial position and final position and try to simplify the problem. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now? Sure. Let me give you one more problem. See whether you can do it or not. See faster. Now this is a magnetic field. Magnetic field is what in which direction? Dot means what?
Outwards.
Outwards. Now say for example, there is some wire like this. Okay, and this is some
Yes, sir.
terminal A, and this is say for example some terminal B.
Yes,
What
sir.
you'll do, you'll draw the line joining this A and B.
VA minus VB we can take.
So whenever you're drawing this line joining A and B part deflection, like say for example, this distance is say for example 5 meters.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this one with x-axis, it is making an angle of say for example of your 53 degrees.
53.
53.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Is it clear? Magnetic
Okay,
field
sir.
inside
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but of your B naught.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, now if I'm taking the rod of your AB part deflection and it is moving in the upward direction with a velocity like this, it is given for me, it is moving with a velocity of your V naught.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the
Direct-
EMF in this one? Induced EMF, motional EMF will be equal to how much? Motional EMF will be equal to how much? Which will be at
DL.
higher end, which will be at lower end? You tell me that one first.
Sir, we will be higher.
VB will be higher. Yes.
End will be higher and which end will be the lower?
B will
sir.
be VB.
Take your right hand.
Velocity in the direction of velocity.
Is
Sir,
it-
towards right side, sir.
V naught and the thumbs finger, curl the fingers outward direction. So obviously there is a flow of a current from where to where better? From B to your A?
Sir, point, our thumb will be pointed right side, na, sir.
Thumb will be pointed in the rightward direction, yeah?
Yes, sir.
That means you need to take the length of this component, kada? A to B.
On,
means
sir.
this direction will be equal to how much for me? A into B into cos of your 50.
Cos 53.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So EMF across this one will be equal to how much for me? BLV
BLV.
into your cos of your 53.
53.
So
Yes,
B
sir.
is B into your L into V. Cos 53 is how much? Cos
3 by
53.
5. 3 by 5.
3 by?
5.
Then,
Yes, sir.
what is the length? A to B
5
is
meters.
nothing but how much for me?
5 meters. 5
5
meters.
so it is B into 5 into velocity is V naught into your 3 by 5.
3 by 5. Yes, sir.
This one will get cancelled. So what is the answer for me?
3BV naught.
3
BV naught.
V naught.
Yes,
అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
అన్ని
sir.
కండిషన్స్ చేసుకోగలుగుతారు కదా ఇట్లే?
చేయగలుగుతాం, sir.
Yes, sir.
డౌట్ ఉందా?
Yes.
ఇంకేమైనా చూసుకుంటే ఇంట్లో?
లేదు, సార్. ఇంకా ఏమన్నా అప్లికేషన్స్ ఇంకేమన్నా ఎలా అడగచ్చు, సార్? ఇట్లనేనా?
Basics are all this one like this one in this one right now.
ఓకే సార్, అయితే గాట్ ఇట్ సార్.
This is only the basic condition, but only thing is we need to go little bit of more advanced particulation. That's it. ఇంకేం లేదు ఇంకా.
ఓకే సార్.
అంటే మన దగ్గర ఇంకా కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది బికాస్ నువ్వు సడన్ గా అడిగావు కాబట్టి నా ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ మీ సో దట్ ఐ కెన్ అట్లీస్ట్ గివ్ యూ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్ బట్ రఫ్ గా నాకు మైండ్ లో ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని నేను మీకు ఒకసారి రఫ్ గా చెప్పేశాను. సో వెన్ ఎవర్ దే ఆర్ బీన్ మూవింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ వాట్ విల్ బి ద గివెన్ కండిషన్ అని అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, sir.
Let me talk about some more condition. I'm just reminding it right now. See, this was also one of the basic question. Let me get an idea. See this one better. This is what a wire which is carrying current, infinitely long wire.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. Now, just beside it, I'm keeping a conductor, a small conductor, which is at a distance of, say, for example, A. Length of the conductor is, say, for example, L. And this conductor is moving in this direction with a velocity V.
వి.
Okay. And this is the terminal A, and this is your terminal B. Now, my question is find VA minus VB. ఇలా వస్తాయి కొంచెం అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్ కు. అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది.
Yes, sir.
What we are doing is we are keeping a conductor AB near a wire which is carrying a current of 5 amperes. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
know that very clearly a moving current will always produce the magnetic field around it like this, like this, like this, like this.
ఎస్
అవునా
సార్.
కదా?
అవును సార్.
Yes, sir.
That means if I take my right hand rule and if I keep the thumb in the direction of current, curling of fingers will be moving inside. That means magnetic field here right now everywhere inside.
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, sir.
Is this
Inside.
point clear?
ఎస్ సార్.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
అర్థమైంది
Take your
సార్.
right hand, keep the thumb in the direction of your current and curling
Yes,
of
sir.
the fingers are going into the paper. That means it is increasing. Magnetic field is right now what? Into the paper.
ఇంటు ద ప్లేన్. ఎస్
Now,
సార్.
that means what? You are keeping a conductor in a magnetic field which is inside.
ఇంటు ద. ఎస్ సార్.
Clear?
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, sir.
It can be anything better. Now I can keep this rod horizontally also, doesn't make any difference.
ఎస్ సార్.
Isn't it? Now what will be the potential? Can you tell me? VA minus of
మైనస్ విపి
VB
ఇస్
equal
ఈక్వల్స్
to BI into
V.
your L కదా?
అవును సార్.
What is the B for this rod?
బి.
What is the B for this rod? For an infinitely long wire, you know the formula. B is equals to mu naught
Mu
into
naught
I
I
divided
by 4
by
pi
2 pi into your
2 pi.
A.
ఎస్ సార్.
General formula గుర్తుందా నేను రాయనా?
గుర్తుంది సార్. గుర్తుంది సార్.
Good, sir.
Very good. That means VA minus of VB will be equal to your B
Mu
value
naught.
which is C, mu naught into
Mu
your
naught
I divided
by
by
2 pi.
2 pi
2
into
pi.
your A. అవునా
Yes,
కదా? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
ఆడిట్ సార్.
దీంట్లో కరెంట్ కూడా ఎంత ఉంది మనకు ఐఏ ఉంది అనుకుందాం
I-
into L.
L.
అంటే ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది mu naught
Mu-
into I
I-
square
I
into
square
A
L by
divided by 2 pi into
2
A.
pi.
If the currents
Okay.
are different, we can take I1 and I2. Anything is possible.
ఎస్ సార్.
Is that clear?
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes,
I
sir.
hope you got an idea. Even if I make a rod to move horizontally, that is also possible,
Yes, sir.
isn't
ఎస్
it?
సార్.
Is that
Answer.
clear?
ఎస్
Yes,
సార్.
sir.
ఆడిట్.
Horizontal చేసినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి సార్ నాకు.
సేమ్ కదా సార్.
Same.
డిఐఎల్.
చూడండి, let me give you same condition. This is the wire which is carrying a current of I ampere and this is infinitely long data. Infinitely long. Now I'm keeping a conductor somewhere right now here. Think and tell me the answer. Think and tell. This is your A and this one is your B. Okay, beta.
Yes.
From here to here, this distance is, say, for example, A or B, whatever it may be. And this is
Yes, sir.
moving in the upward direction right now here with a velocity V. Is that clear?
ఎస్ సార్.
Now, what is induced EMF in this one? Or what is the motional EMF in this one? Find in motional EMF. What is motional EMF?
న్యూ నాట్ ఐ బై యాక్సిస్ కాబట్టి
First, direction of magnetic field.
డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇన్వర్ట్ సార్.
Inward. Because of this infinite wire, there is a magnetic field created like this.
ఎస్ సార్.
Here it is
Yes,
going
sir.
inside like this, and here it is coming outside like this.
రైట్
Is
అండి.
it clear? That means
ఎస్
the
సార్.
Yes, sir.
rod which is been moving with this one, the magnetic field is inside this one. So I have got the direction of magnetic field. That is how much for me B alpha.
Yes, sir.
Now think,
Answer.
now think. That is really very important. Now see, if I am standing here on the rod,
mu naught I by 4 pi x.
just a minute. If I'm standing here, my friend is standing here, my another friend is standing here. Then I'll tell you what the mistake you're doing here right now. One here, and one more, my friend is standing here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
you got a water pump here right now. The water pipe on from this water is being coming out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now when I switch
sir.
on this one and I switch on this one pipe, so water is falling on this person A, person B, person C, and person D. More pressure will be on whom?
A.
Person.
Then lesser on B,
Yes, sir.
then
Yes,
lesser
sir.
on C, then
Yes,
lesser
sir.
on D. Why? Because distance is increasing.
Yes,
As the
sir.
distance increases, the pressure will be
Decrease.
Decreases.
increasing. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Is that logic clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means, now can you say me that is the magnetic field on the rod AB is constant or varying?
Varying.
Obviously varying kadana.
Answer.
Obviously varying ఏ కదా.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా నేను చెప్పేది?
అర్థమైంది, sir.
So magnetic field is what? Inside. Magnetic field is no doubt inside, and it is moving inside in this one. So when the what do you call that one? Okay, I'll take this pen on. Yeah. If I take this element, దీనిపైన ఒక force exert చేస్తుందా? ఎందుకంటే magnetic field will be exerting like this. Isn't it?
Okay, sir.
The part
Yes,
which is very nearer to the wire will experience more magnetic field, because as this goes outer out, the magnetic field is decreasing kada.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So have you getting that logic?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason I can say that the magnetic field on this rod AB is not constant. Have you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got it.
That is the reason here, see here it is always constant from A to B. That is the reason I directly took this
As it's
formula.
vertical.
Avuna kada? But here
Yes, sir.
the magnetic
Yes, sir.
field is not
Answer.
constant. It is continuously varying.
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes, sir.
continuously varying. So Surendra sir is
Yes.
calling from class అయిందా సార్ది?
సార్ మార్నింగ్ అయిపోయింది, మార్నింగ్.
సార్ కాల్ చేస్తున్నాడు కామన్. ఓకే చలో ఫైన్. ఎనీహౌ ఇండ్యూస్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అంటే వాట్ ఐ కెన్ రైట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ డి అని రాసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to
Yes, sir.
integral of your BL into your V. I can write L will be equal to how much beta ikkada? Dx.
Yes, sir.
So I'm taking some small element of dx at the distance of your x అనుకోవచ్చు కదా.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to how much for me your B into your, this will become for me how much for me dx into your velocity తో move అవుతుంది, some velocity V అనుకోండి.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is the magnetic field ikkada? So integral of dE 0 to your E. 0 to your E. Integral of dE is nothing but E. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Integral of B. B will be equal to how much beta? Mu naught into I divided by 2 pi into x.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one
Into
is dx into
dx
your
into V.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
constant beta in this one?
Mu naught
E
I by 2
is
pi.
equals
Mu naught by 2 pi.
mu naught into I divided by 2 pi into V is also constant. This is integral
sir.
of your 1 by x into your dx.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be the limit? That is very important for me.
0 to.
The length of the rod ఇవ్వలేదు, నేను L తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
Okay, sir.
A is a distance of capital A and A is a distance of small a. Capital B is a distance of A plus L.
Yes, sir.
So limit
Yes,
will be
sir.
equal to how much for me? A to A plus L kada?
Answer.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
And is at the distance of your A. B is the distance of your small a plus of your L.
Yes.
Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So E is equals to what I can write here? Mu naught
Mu
into
naught
I
I
into V divided by 2 pi.
1 to.
Integral of 1 by x into dx is nothing but equal to how much beta? Ln x.
Yes, sir. Ln x.
This will be
A
a
into A plus L.
A.
Yes,
Listen,
sir.
now I hope you
Yes,
can
sir.
just do the substitution. So it is mu naught I into V divided by 2
By
pi.
2
This
pi
will be
into-
given log E into your x. X is nothing but upper limit plus lower limit. So it is A plus of your x minus of your log E into
Log
your
E.
x. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Mu naught I into V divided by 2 pi. This will become for me how much? Log E
A plus L by A.
A plus L by your E. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the way we will be simplifying this one. I into V divided by 2 pi. So this will be your log E into this is 1 plus of your L by E. Can I even write like this? So
Yes,
this
sir.
will be what? Induced EMF. So this is your answer. If resistance is given, I can even calculate the current. I is equals to E by
E
resistance.
by R. Yes, sir.
If he is giving me the current, if I know the force, F is equals to BIL. If he is asking power, power is equals to F into V.
F into V.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If he is asking me the acceleration, so acceleration will be equal to how much for me? BI into your L divided by your M. Velocity will be equal to U plus of your AT. Blah,
80.
blah, blah.
U is equals to 0. Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
అర్థమైంది సార్.
అర్థమైంది
Yes,
సార్.
sir.
క్లియర్ సార్.
I hope so. You have been got an idea how to do now the problems related to the motional EMF. Any doubt in this one? Please let me know.
No,
You
sir.
got a very good application even in your material beta.
Sir.
You can start, beta.
ఒకవేళ కరెంట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం కండక్టర్ తీసుకున్న దగ్గర అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉంటే ఏమైనా చేంజ్ అవుతుందా సార్? మనకి
Obviously direction change అవుతుంది కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ EMF higher or lower అని రాయలేదు. From this one,
Okay.
if I am saying that V, which is at higher end, A is at higher end కదా.
అవును సార్.
అవునా కదా. If I take the magnetic field outside, so B will be at higher end కదా.
Yes, sir. VB minus
So
VA.
only the directions will only be changing. Higher potential to lower potential, blah blah conditions. That's it.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir. Yes,
ఎస్
sir.
సార్.
రొటేషనల్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ ఒకటి వస్తుందన్న, అది కూడా కావాలంటే చెప్పేస్తాను, లేకపోతే టుమారో యూ కెన్ లిసన్ యువర్ జనరల్ లెక్చర్స్. So I hope you got rough idea related to the Gauss law. Sorry, Gauss law అంటున్నా.
ఎస్ సార్. లెన్స్ లా. ఎస్ సార్.
సో మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది క్రాస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ లా. సో if you remember the cross product, directions will be very easy for you to identify.
ఓకే సార్.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this one, please let me know. ఏం డౌట్ లేదా?
లేదు సార్.
No, sir.
మెటీరియల్ తీసుకున్నారా?
ఏంటి సార్?
మెటీరియల్ తీసుకున్నారా? కాలేజ్ మెటీరియల్
కాలేజ్
ఇయ్యలేదు సార్.
మెటీరియల్ ఇయ్యలేదు.
తీసుకోలేదా?
వీళ్ళు ఇయ్యలేదు సార్ అది.
Okay, fine. So I hope you got rough idea related to this one. నేను రఫ్ గా చెప్పాను ఇదంతా, నేను ఇంకా డీటెయిల్ గా చెప్పలేదు. అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
జనరల్ క్లాస్ అయితే ఇంకా ఉంటుంది, ఒక సిస్టమాటిక్ వేగా ఉంటుంది, కానీ మీరు సడన్ గా అడిగారు కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఓవరాల్ గా రఫ్ గా
లేదు సార్.
expecting the
మా క్లాస్ లో కూడా ఇలానే చెప్పారు.
అంతేనా?
అవును సార్, సేమ్ మీరు చెప్పిన షార్ట్.
ఓకే ఫైన్. నేను ఇట్లా చెప్పాను జనరల్ గా, ఇప్పుడు ఏదో మీకు ఆల్రెడీ కొంచెం నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను ఇట్లా చెప్తున్నాను. Otherwise, if a new student అయితే I'll be going for the derivation and I'll be going for the applications also in the detailed way basically గా.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇంకా
థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ కంటిన్యూ.
ఇంకేముంది దీంట్లో ఉంది, ఇంకా న్యూమరికల్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే we can do it out.
అవును సార్.
Yes, sir.
ఒకసారి ఈ రోజు మెటల్ తీసి చదివితే మీ దగ్గర ఏమైనా ఉంటుంది. I'll see any application I'm having with.
సార్ మా దగ్గర ఉన్నట్టుంది సార్.
తీసుకో. ఇది మంచి క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటే చూడు సార్, షేర్ చేయి.
ఎస్ సార్.
నా దగ్గర దొరికిన ఒకటి రఫ్గా చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. క్వశ్చన్ వినండి చాలా. మన దగ్గర వైర్ ఉంది ఇట్లా. there is a wire here right now, phi. Okay, and there is a rectangular loop like this. Okay,
Yes.
this is the L moving with a velocity v, and this distance is your A. I'll read the question. See, just roughly remember, we got a rectangular metallic loop of length L, and width is given for me as of your B. Width is given as of your B. That means this one.
Yes.
Width is given as a B is being placed coplanarly with a long wire carrying a current of your I. The loop is moved perpendicular to the wire with a speed of your V in a plane containing the wire and the loop. Calculate the EMF induced in the loop when the rear end of the loop is at a distance of your A from the wire. Is asking us to calculate the induced EMF in the loop. Can I do it?
Yes, sir. I into R.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Minus DF.
Calculate what is asking. I'll write just calculate EMF induced in loop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try share. First, identify the direction of the current in the rectangular loop.
Into the plane, sir.
Magnetic field is into the plane.
Yes, sir.
What will be the direction in the loop? Direction of current in the loop, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Inside it is increasing. So it will not allow the
Anti-clockwise.
inside magnetic field to
And-
increase. So the current will be in this one,
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise, like this.
Yes, sir.
Anna? So if it is
On,
like
sir.
this right now, tell me which will be your higher end and which will be your lower end right now. I can make this wire right now something like this. Okay, I
D,
the wire right now, the wire end, the end whichever I'm taking right now, the end which I'm taking right now, one end is a distance of A and another one is a distance of your A plus of your A. Anna kada? And
Yes,
the
sir.
width
Yes, sir.
will be kabatti, one width will be equal to right now. Direction of the current is moving in the upward direction. Now tell me what velocity is in this direction kada?
on, sir, right.
Tell me what will be the direction of induced EMFs beta? Battery laga connect చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా మనం. Two wires ఉన్నాయి కదా, అంటే the end which is nearer to the wire is having one EMF, the end of the wire which is the farther away from the wire is having another EMF.
Yes, sir.
అంటే this loop, can I draw this one like this? This will be your positive negative and this will be your positive negative.
Yes, sir.
This will be your EMF E1 and this will be your EMF E2.
E2.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what is EMF, can you tell me? From the relation E is equals to
BLV. BLV.
So now see, V is in the front direction, positive x-axis, magnetic field is inside,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? That means the
Yes,
force
sir.
acting in this one is in which direction better? Upward direction kada?
On, sir.
Yes, sir.
For this one. Now for the end which is nearer to this one, the end which
B.
is nearer to this one, downward direction kada?
Yes, sir.
This is positive terminal and this one is positive terminal and this is negative terminal.
Negative.
What is the magnetic EMF because of the first wire which is nearer? B1 will be equal to mu naught by 2 pi
2 pi into I by A. Yes.
Another one will be equal to mu naught
Mu
divided
naught by
by 2 pi into your I divided
L
by
plus A.
A plus of your L.
L plus. Yes, sir.
Antena?
Yes, sir.
So net EMF across the left arm and as well as the right arm if I am writing. So E1 will be equal to how much for me beta? B1
B into
B into B.
Yes, sir.
E2 will be equal to how much for me? B2 into your V into
B
your
into B plus A.
because as the length is been changing, EMF is also changing. Magnetic field will also change. So
Yes,
E
sir.
net will be equal to how much better? E net will be equal to your E1 minus of your
Minus
E2.
E2.
Why
B2.
E1 minus E2? Why not E2 minus E1?
E1 is higher potential.
E1 will be a higher potential. That is important there. So this will be equal to how much for me? B1 into B minus of your B2 into VB. So I can write here B1 minus of your B2 into this will be
Into
equal to how much? VB. This is
VB. Yes,
Another.
sir.
You know the
Yes,
value
sir.
of B1
Yes,
and B2, just simplify, you will get the answer for this one.
Mu naught.
It will be equal to how much for me? This is V into B. B1 value is how much for me? Mu naught into I divided by 2 pi into your A minus this one is mu naught into your I divided by 2 pi into your
Into
A
L plus A.
of your L.
Yes, sir.
దీని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు నేను mu naught into I is also constant, BL into V will also be your constant divided by this will become for me 2 pi into your A plus of your A plus of your L. So this will be your E net. You can just take the LCM of this one.
Yes, sir.
Mu naught I constant, VB is also constant right now, V into your B. If I take the LCM of the 2 pi is also constant, A is also constant. So 2 pi is a constant, it is 1 by A minus 1 by A plus L. అంతే కదా LCM
Also.
1 by
Yes,
A
sir.
minus 1 by your A plus L, that will be equal to how much for me? L divided by your A into your A plus L. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That was of your rough relations related to this one. And try to solve some good numericals from your material. If you are having any doubt, you please let me know. I'll try to help you.
ఎస్
ఓకే సార్
క్లియరా?
ఎస్ సార్
ఎస్ సార్
ఇంకా చాలా సిస్టమేటిక్ చెప్పుకుంటే చాలా డెప్త్ పోతుంది, కానీ మీకు రఫ్ గా అర్థం కాలేదు కదా అని నేను రఫ్ గా చెప్పుకుంటూ పోయాను బేసికల్ గా.
ఓకే
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్
Clear any
ఎస్
doubt?
సార్
నో సార్
ఇంకేమన్నా కావాలా చెప్పండి. Now, how do you want me to go for the condition of your classes with? I don't understand. I'll just stop this recording.